got this job in today. Little bumper of a race car. It's got a hole there and a bit of damage on the splitter. We'll get that looked at today. So, quick air saw around the hole. That kind of stops the fibres holding you out of place, and then it just kind of pops just where you want it. Nice. So I've keyed that one and ground a little bit more out just to try and keep the weight down. And you probably can't see under there, but just under here, and put some choppings in there, push them all in, and then I'll glass it from the outside. And then this little hole here, just need to do a bit of keying that back, fill that hole up. Job's a good one. Right, so the bumper's upside down. That's the little hole in the under tray of the bumper. That's the little crack that you couldn't see in the splitter. And then this one here, it was just there. I've put I fiberglassed it, and then there's this stuff. Everybody has different names for it. I've been told it's called tissue. Not a clue, but anyway, it just gives it that nice finished look, and it looks like all the rest of it. So that'll do. Happy days. So it's been a few hours now. We've done the inside. I've just ground the top off that. I forgot to film it. Never mind. So this one here, we'll just give that a quick scuff off. Lay some fiberglass over the outside. Leave that to go off overnight, and in the morning we'll get it all looking pretty. Morning has arrived. Everything's gone off. So we'll get these knocked back and start filling. So we've knocked that back. Should have shown you before actually, but it's just sanding, nothing interesting. Gob some filler on top of that and on top of that. Get some heat on that, get that to go off, and then we'll get that sanded. Need to get this done today. Really sorry, in such a rush to get this done. Customer is coming to pick it up soon, I think. So that's that kind of sorted and primed. This bit up here primed. Going to spill a bit of paint on that now and we're all done. So I think we're there. That's got that repaired. It's pretty cool. And got that done on there as well. So happy days.